First up, we have the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 in the pink colorway. Let's get into it. All right, so right here, I have the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 in the racer pink colorway. This sneaker was supposed to release January 31st, 2025, but it ended up just dropping early on Finish Line and other footwear sites. So I'm not too sure if Nike will release these on January 31st or if the drop that I got these from is the official drop, and we're gonna move on from there. Like I said, these are the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2. Surprisingly, these were a tennis sneaker back in the 1980s, I'm pretty sure. And these were also known to be Andre Agassi's sneaker on the court. 2024-2025 is said to be the 35th anniversary of this sneaker model, which is why Nike chose right now to retro them again. I missed out on the hot lava colorway, so I had to get these in my size to rock whenever I feel like doing so. This sneaker is said to be true to the OG, but we have aging. So as you can see, the midsole is like a nice coconut milk instead of being white, because this shoe is supposed to kind of look like if it was pulled back from its original year. Same thing with the aging you see here on the eyelets. My shoe is pretty much well made, except I do have a little bit of glue on my left shoe right here at the top. I'm not too sure if I can see that. Maybe I'll include B-roll, maybe I won't. But yeah, the shoe looks really great. I'm gonna switch it over and pick up this one. What I really love the most is this Nike Air hang tag. We used to get this one with most of our Jordan 3s. Now we really don't anymore. We kind of get a super cheap one like you see hanging right here. I rather this one over this any day. But yeah, the shoe looks really good. I'm not too sure what I will wear with these yet. I haven't even tried my pair on, as y'all can see, but these look really good. I always wanted a pair of Air Tech Challenge 2s, even when they retroed them back, I think maybe 2019. I wanted the pair, didn't really have any money, but fast forward all the way now to 2025, I got the racer pink pair. Maybe if I can, I'll go back and try to get the hot lavas, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, these look great. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little 360. Great shoe, can't complain. The quality is meh, more like a 6 out of 10. But yeah, classics, can't really go wrong. I will have a full review on these dropping soon, so stay tuned.